We are now going to cut a carrot. Here is my wonderful carrot. Notice that I have not peeled the carrot. I have brushed it quite energetically. It's an organic carrot. I do not feel the need to remove the outer layer, which is just as nutritious as the rest of the carrot, perhaps more. If it's not organic, maybe I would peel it. Or definitely I would peel if it is for a platter of cut veggies with hummus, so that it looks cute. But in this case, every night preparation of a stew or soup, I do not need to peel my carrots. But I will take off the tip here. And then, so this is the quick tip. The root part is still attached. I will use the tip of my sharp chef's knife and I make an incision like this along the long part, but keeping the tips, the root end attached still. And then I do another cut in the other direction. My cuts are not perfectly even, but remember, this is for weeknight cooking. Okay, so now my carrot is cut in 4, and I will again form a claw with my hand, keeping my thumb and my pinky hidden, but squeezing the parts of the carrot together, and here I go. Ta-da! Diced carrot. Okay, perfect for any chili or any soup you might want to make, and really quick to do, much faster than trying to cut every piece separately.